This is fire alert system using flame sensor. So this is Arduino Uno, and it is connected with this flame sensor, green LED, red LED, and buzzer. When there is no fire, the green LED blinks, and when there is a fire alert, the red LED blinks and buzzer makes some sound. So let's see it. So here it is showing fire alert, and when I take the matchstick away, no alert is shown. Thank you. Fire alert system using MQ2 gas sensor. This is Arduino Uno. This is MQ2 gas sensor. Whenever the smoke level around the gas sensor is changed to threshold, the red light is blinked and buzzer makes some alert. So let's test it. So I created some smoke near the sensor. So when the smoke passes through the sensor, the red light blinks and the buzzer makes sounds. When I take it away, when the smoke level is back again to the normal, the green lights start blinking again.